doing? I'm Melvin Yates and we're backing in another one of our homes. This is a 2-bedroom condo and this one is for rent. We are at 447 Ridge Street, Northwest Washington, D.C. We are right at New Jersey Avenue to the east. 5th Street and 7th Street is going to be to the west, right by the convention center. So right in the Logan Circle area. You can just take a look. This is a 1-block street. So, you know, not a lot of traffic. It's only 1 block long between 4th and 5th Street. That's it. This is like I said, a 2-bedroom, 2 full bath, completely renovated condominium. It's 955 square feet and it is available for rent, and also it's fully furnished. So come on inside, let's take a look. So as we come right on in, you'll see there's hardwood floors throughout the entire home. And this is the first bathroom right off of the entrance. And then we'll come on into the kitchen and living room area. You can see it has the granite and the upgraded cabinets, stainless steel appliances. And like I said, it's fully furnished, so you know, all of the furniture will stay throughout the rental. And then you can see the appliances here. Even equipped with your own coffee machine. This is some storage. And everything, since it's been completely renovated, obviously everything is brand new, so the furnace is new. There is some storage space here. And this is the washer and dryer here. Brand new hot water heater. This would be the bedroom towards the rear of the home. And there's plenty of closet space. The other bedroom towards the front has huge closets as well. But as you can see, there's lots of closets. So plenty of storage. Right, we'll go and check this bathroom out here. This is the second bathroom. And then there's more storage here. And there's parking. So if you have a vehicle, you can park it. All right, now we'll go back and we'll check out the front bedroom, which I guess would be the master bedroom of the two. Little hall closet here. And this is the master, or would be the master bedroom. As you can see, recessed lights everywhere. And this is the walk-in closet for the master. And that's it. We're back again. We are at 447 Ridge Street, Northwest Washington, D.C. This is 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, 955 square feet, completely renovated, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, upgraded cabinets, hardwood floors throughout, fully furnished. This is a rental, recessed lights, pendant lights, comes with your flat screen television. It's a great home. upgraded bathrooms, everything is brand new. I'm Melvin Yates, thanks for coming out, and I'll see you next time.